you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Preeti and I'm India's first cruelty-free beauty blogger. I talk about all things cruelty-free and I also talk about vegan beauty and lifestyle. If this is the kind of content that you might enjoy, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I make a video. Today's video is going to be an in-depth review of a curly hair care brand from India called Curl. This husband and wife duo brand is making the waves across the Indian curly girl community, and all of their products work beautifully for all types of curls, right from waves to coils and super thick clumps as well. The entire range consists of 3 products, a shampoo, conditioner and a curl cream, and I'm going to talk about each product in depth right now. The first product is the Curl Moisturizing Shampoo. That's what the bottle looks like. I absolutely love their logo and their whole creatives are so feminine and so beautiful. This shampoo works superb if you want to cleanse your hair. It gives that perfect balance of moisture with the perfect balance of squeaky cleanness. I don't know if that makes any sense, but you don't feel very heavy on your hair after you wash with this shampoo. While it is sulfate-free and silicone-free, it does an excellent job with cleaning the scalp, cleaning the hair. Even if you have a hair mask on, it really cleans everything off without leaving any residue. Another thing that I really like about the shampoo is that you need a very tiny amount. You don't have to like go 5 pumps in and then clean all your hair. You don't have to do any of that. You just need a tiny amount and it thoroughly cleans all of your hair. So the 3 ingredients that the brand has focused on in this product are argan oil, coconut cleanser and chia seed extract. All of these help to thoroughly cleanse the scalp and the hair by adding all the moisture back and not weighing your hair down. If you have wavy hair like mine, it can be tricky sometimes using certain types of shampoo because they strip your hair completely and then you're left with extremely soft waves that just don't clump, that just don't form. Even if you use a good gel, they get too frizzy and so on. This shampoo is really nice. I even recommend this for anybody who has slightly wavy, not like mine, but like slight waves or straight hair as well. If you want a sulfate and silicone free shampoo, this is a really cool shampoo to try out. Next up is the conditioner, and this is the Curl Hydrating Conditioner. This is an empty, you guys, and I love this conditioner so much. I use this in and out every wash and I finished this within 2 months of the brand sending this to me last year. It's such a good conditioner because it's got the perfect slip so you can detangle your hair in the shower. It's also very moisturizing. It's not very heavy on the hair. So certain types of conditioners weigh your hair down, especially if you have wavy hair like mine. This doesn't do any of that. It's actually a really nice conditioner. Even if you use a lot of amount by mistake, it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. It's perfect. So even if you've squeezed out a lot of product by mistake, you won't have to worry about it weighing your curls down because it doesn't do any of that. It's easy to wash off as well, and it does not leave any residue on your hair. The 3 ingredients that the brand has focused on, apart from the other ingredients, are argan oil, chia seed extract, and flaxseed extract. These really help to add that strength to your curl while nourishing and moisturizing it. So the flaxseed extract in this conditioner helps to form the curls in the conditioner phase. So when you're raking the conditioner through your hair, you spread out your fingers and you just rake it through your hair. It activates the curl formation, and the extract of flaxseed in this helps to reduce frizziness. However, you can't really go without frizz if you have curly wavy hair. It's just a part and parcel of having beautiful curls. So even right now, if you notice I have some frizz on my hair, you can't really reduce frizz 100%. You will have some frizz mainly in the root crown area, or maybe if your hair is too dry at the bottom, you'll have frizz, or if your hair is colored and so on. My only problem with this conditioner is that the smell is not very fresh. It smells like seed oils and seed extracts, which is something that bothers me because, when you have conditioner in your hair and you wash it off, that's the fragrance that lasts the longest, apart from your leave-in and apart from your gel. But the conditioner helps to give that nice fresh fragrance to your hair, and this is completely subjective, but for me, I feel if the brand would have increased the floral or citrus fragrance in this, it would give me a more fresh feeling. That's the only problem I have with this. Other than that, I don't have any issues with this conditioner. It works really well on my wavy hair. The third and the final product is the Curl Defining Cream, and this is my absolute favorite, you guys. I love this curl cream so much. I've been recommending this to anybody who asks me for a good curl defining cream, along with other brands as well, because what this does is that it activates your curls without making them feel too heavy. and also the fragrance is not too overpowering, it's not too strong, and you can easily just mix some water and spread it out or just use it by itself as well. The three key ingredients that the brand has focused on this are argan oil, flaxseed extract, and shea butter. Now shea butter is a slightly more heavier ingredient, so if you have wavy hair like mine, you will need to go light-handed with this curl cream. You need a pea-sized amount, that's all. If you have hair that is my length and is wavy or is less wavier than this and you want to define it, a pea-sized amount will suffice. You don't have to use a lot of product like a dollop that you would use maybe with a conditioner or a shampoo. With this curl cream, you can easily go wrong with it, mainly because it does weigh the hair down if you use too much product. That is the case with actually most of the leave-ins. You need to find the ratio that works the best for you. So it took me a while to get the hang of this. In the beginning, it did weigh my hair down, and then I got the hang of, okay, I just need a pea-sized amount for my hair type. If you have thicker coils or thicker hair, heavier hair, like mine is a fine texture, if you have thicker hair, you would obviously need more product because you will need to rake it in and, you know, scrunch it all so that it defines your curls better. So how I like to use this curl defining cream is that I take a pea-sized amount and I spread it all over my palms, and then I rake it into my hair and then finger coil if I need to, or just scrunch. Now, the only problem that I have with this is because it's a curl defining cream, I need to go in with the flaxseed gel so that it gives me that extra hold, especially because I have waves. Now, if you don't have waves, you probably can just go in with the curl cream and you're good to go. But if you have waves like mine, you will need a gel so that it holds the texture and it holds the curls for longer. So if I were to rank the products, number one, the winner would be the curl cream. Number two would be the shampoo because it's really, really nice. And number three would be the conditioner. Not that I hate the conditioner, I really like it. It's got a really nice slip. I'm not a big fan of the fragrance. So for today's video, I've used this shampoo, I've used another conditioner, and I've used the curl cream. So this is the curl cream without any gel. So if you see, it's got like soft waves, doesn't give me enough hold. And if I use a good gel, I'll get a better hold. And I think the brand should really make like a gel. It would complete the whole set. It would be really nice if the brand had a shampoo, conditioner, curl cream, and a gel, so you have the whole routine in one place. If you haven't tried out Curl Up yet, I hope this video convinced you to give this brand a shot for your wavy curly hair. And if you have big curls, you will love this, absolutely love this, because the curl cream is going to work really well for you. You don't have to get worried too much like for wavy hair, how we get worried if you use a bigger amount. You can easily go with a dollop and not worry about it weighing your hair down. I hope you enjoyed this video. I am going to be making a lot more video on wavy curly hair care, hairstyles, routines, and all of that. I have made a video earlier on how to care for colored hair and what are the precautions and things you need to keep in mind. I'm going to leave the link somewhere up here so that you can click it and watch that. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and comment below telling me what are your favorite curly hair products from India and what are the next products that I should review. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It would mean the world to me. And check out all my previous videos right here. All right, I'm going to catch you guys in my next YouTube video. Till then, stay safe, be hydrated, and take care of yourselves. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao, peace, bye.